avec les astis de quenouilles. Yeah, I just left Cook, guys. I'm back for a new adventure. Yeah. I'm going to Montreal for a few days this week, but I still don't know if I'm gonna sleep in a camping or in a hotel. So that's what we're discussing right now. But yeah, let's see. I'll keep you updated. And there we are, skipping the traffic. Let's go. We're making it to my hometown, Saint-Jean-sur-Richelieu. Boom. Hey, look at that. Crazy. It's not even week morning. Oh.
PE, vient du Nouveau-Brunswick. Non, Massachusetts. C'est PE.
Rivian, je pense que c'est électrique. Hop. Oh, another Massachusetts here.
Another.
Or like
one.
Roberto would say,
Another one.
le comment il dit ça?
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts. Ouais.
Massachusetts.
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 There we are, that's the mall. Ah, puis ils ont démoli le viaduc, la passerelle piétonnière, en une nuit.
Ici, là.
Fait que le soir, tu vois, là.
Ouais.
Cette compagnie-là, man, vraiment bon contracteur, man. Parce qu'il paraît que ils ont scié, puis ils ont enlevé la structure, puis il y a quasiment pas de morceaux de béton qui ont tombé sur l'autoroute. Fait que le ménage a été super vite, puis la structure, elle se tenait. Ils l'ont mis sur le trailer, ils sont partis avec. Ils ont passé un coup de balai, fini, bonsoir.
On passait là-dessus quand on restait ici, avec toi dans le carrosse.
Ben oui, je m'en souviens. J'ai passé souvent là-dessus. Ça, c'est rendu Holiday Inn. J'avais jamais remarqué. La dernière fois, c'était pas ça le nom. Là.
Ils ont acheté le terrain.
Puis ça, ce restaurant-là, ça existe. C'est nouveau, ça aussi.
Ben, c'était là l'été, à l'hiver.
That's the police station, by the way.
Non, mais ce qu'ils bâtissent, là, ils ont acheté la maison puis le terrain d'une ancienne collègue de travail infirmière à l'hôpital de Saint-Jean. Elle a vendu le terrain, elle doit vendre ça, puis la maison.
Ils ont démoli la maison?
Ils ont démoli. J'étais comme, oh mon Dieu, c'est comme s'ils démolissent ses souvenirs. Là. Tout son aménagement paysager, tout ça. Là.
Mon chum Ménard, c'est de ça que ça a fait. Là. La ville a acheté sa maison. Puis
c'est vrai. Fait que là, ils bâtissent des condos.
Ils ont construit un parc sur son terrain, puis
ça, c'est de la
quelqu'un d'autre qui s'est construit.
La location de condo à...
So I'm coming right here. Canadian Tire. We're gonna see the tents because I've already seen all the tents they had at Walmart. And also, it's very close to the mall that we've just seen.
Je vais passer ici pour aller sur le bord de l'eau.
Pourquoi tu vas aller sur le bord de l'eau?
Non, mais on va tourner chez nous sur le bord de l'eau. Tu vas te laisser ici. On ne pense jamais passer ici. Au lieu d'aller dans le trafic, à queue leu avec tout le monde. Hein?
Ah oui, 100%. It is crazy hot. So wet. It's like over 30 degrees. The thing is, I don't know which tent to buy. I don't think they will have the model I want. So like lightweight, compact. Basically, all I want is a tent which I can put in my backpack. It's not, what I'm asking is not that complicated, eh? Okay, let's see. So here we have the sleeping bags. I don't need that when it's super hot outside. You know what I'm saying? These are the mattress. Tents. You see that one is not so big. It could fit in a used backpack. Like for hiking and all I do. But look at the price. It's The one I was looking at Walmart was $60. Oh. Ah, no. It's too big and too heavy. Another one here, I think it's gonna be the last one. Because here it's too big. That could do, man. That could do. Like $200. Fuck that. Ooh. But it's one exactly like I have. I just lost the roof. So maybe I just find I put a botch light to replace the roof. Maybe I'll just do that, and because I have the absolute same one. But this one is super light and for you, so I'm not sure it's gonna be big enough for me. I'm quite small, but 1.8 meters by 1.5 meters. Yeah, should be enough, man. Okay, let's think about it. Let's move for now. Honestly, it makes me think. I see all these people in the parking lot buying like lawnmowers, stuff to take care of their houses, and honestly, guys, that's not what I want in life. Yes, I do want a house, but I don't want to pay like so many dollars to take care of it, you know. I just want to have my own place, but I don't know. It doesn't seem like a cool life, you know what I'm saying? I think the craziest thing is it's like 32 degrees. I don't know, and I'm wearing my turtleneck. At least it's protecting my neck from the sun. But yo, it's a heavy shirt, you know. It's not. But that was the prettiest shirt I had, so I went for it, you know. But now we're going to the mall, so we might be able to find some clothes. Or maybe I just want. Oh, where is the? Okay, the Value Village is like over there. Maybe I can go there trying to find a tank top. I'm not sure if it's only for girls or it's also a tank top for men, but I'm trying to find out. I think y'all understand. But we have another problem. I put my tank top with the gym I used to go to, very cheap, $10 a month. Yeah, it is not so easy, but I'm just thinking about my friend doing Compostela in the south of France right now, and he's walking all the ways under the sun, always under the hot sun, in the middle of the fields, roadside. Man, that guy is so motivated, eh? He's always doing some live. His name is Johnny Rock. You can go search him out online, YouTube. He's been banned from TikTok. He's also on Twitch. Yeah, he's a very great guy. So who am I to complain? Because I'm walking like 2 streets and I'm getting hot because of my turtleneck. My backpack is not so heavy actually, so I cannot complain. At least it's windy, as you can see, so it's not that bad. But I can't believe highway overpass is not there anymore, man. That's crazy. I'm gonna show you pictures of when it was there and also when they destroyed it, because it's quite impressive. Hey. In just one night. Okay, yeah, maybe it's normal for you in Asia or in Europe, but here in Canada, construction works are taking so long now. It is crazy. Oh, and by the way, my mom left me because my brother is going on a limo tour around his island, so it's actually my mom went with a friend. She went with a friend in Scotland. That friend has a sister. Her sister's husband drive limos. So, and today was his last day because he's retiring. And for his last day, he said that he wanted to bring my little brother for a ride. How kind is that, man? Wow. And bang, here's the mall. Now I just want to eat because my huge bucket of salad apparently wasn't enough. So maybe eat something here. Or I also want to go to the Asian restaurant because it's the most delicious food. Look at the pink floor bag. Dude, there used to be full of restaurants, but they all closed, man. I don't know what happened. That's one thing I hate about traveling. Is I never know what to eat. I go to the grocery store and I can buy nothing but the French baguette. The classic French baguette and my chips, you know. But this time, so many kids screaming around. Let's wait. These freaking toys. They get up to kids, they don't even know how to drive, man. It's freaking dangerous. So I was saying, I have my classic French baguette. Okay, I'm right here taking a break. Basketball court I used to come many times is here. On the other side of that building, there's a splash pad. I had to remove my turtleneck because I was sweating too much. But now it's okay because I'm under the shadows. It should be fine. And there's a lot of wind, so nothing to complain about. 2 hikes in 2 nights this weekend. But because I started to take my medication again, I went to sleep 2 a.m. on Friday and at 4:30 p.m. on Saturday last night. Now I'm wondering why I ain't got no energy. Hey, come on, man. So I don't know. I'm thinking about what I could do and just rest because I don't feel so good for like going to walk in Montreal, and otherwise it's gonna rain. So as you can see, like it's getting more and more windy. We can see gray clouds. So I don't know. I think the rain is coming that way from Montreal, and I haven't found a shelter yet, but I don't really care, honestly. As always, I'll be last minute. When it's gonna start raining, then I will move and find a shelter. Yo, look, we might be able to dodge it. Look, looks like the cloud is passing just next to us. Like, if I were in Iberville, I would have dodged it, but looks like we're just gonna get some light rain. Now we can hear the thunder starting. if it's raining, the only thing I have to protect me from the rain is this. It's not even a roof, man. So here we have a perfect view of how we are dodging the thunderstorm. But as you can see, I think the radar wasn't accurate, because look how fast the clouds are moving. They're coming right on me. And now I'm feeling some drops, so it's time to move. Let's go. Shoot, man. I got caught. Shelter. I think we're gonna come here just until this big ass cloud passes by. And here we go. It's beginning. Oh my god. Now so lucky to have this shelter. Shit, man, actually it didn't rain in days, so before the rain we had some strong wind. So all the dust got onto my eyes. Oh my god. We are maybe 15 minutes later and the rain is getting heavy.